recipe for expanding your comfort zone, achieving more, feeling good along the way, and not burning out. Do what you can do without a panic. Do what you can do without a panic. When you feel yourself close to that panic, back up a little bit, get centered, notice your breath moving you, notice how you feel, respond to what you find. When you feel ready, get back in there. Do what you can do without a panic that expands what you're capable of so you can do more and more and feel good along the way. We get so caught up in these extremes of jump out of your comfort zone, do what scares you, shock your nervous system, really stress yourself out on purpose when we, in our gut, in our knowledge, we know better. Then there's the other extreme, just sink into the couch, forget about it, say no to everything, shut off the world. And maybe sometimes we need a little bit of these extremes to remember to find ourselves again. Come back to do what you can do without a panic. All of the ancient wisdom tells us this, including the wisdom of whoever's hanging around in your life that's been around for a long time and has it going on, maybe a great grandma or an old neighbor that you really trust. Ask them. They'll tell you some version of do what you can do without a panic.